How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Casa es tu Casa, and today I have a unboxing of my Scentbird perfume subscription. So if you want any more information and you want to see what I got and the perfume for this month that I received, then you need to stay watching. Okay, guys, so Scentbird is a perfume subscription box that you get at the comfort of your home every month for a total of $14.99 or 95 cents, if I'm not mistaken. However, any information I will paste it in the description box below. Now, I just resubscribed to Scentbird, so what I'm about to show you might not be what you get, because the first time that you join, you will get a vial and you will get a little container that you place that vial in, and you can put it in your purse and wherever, your pocket or whatever. But I didn't get that. Now Scentbird has an option that you can pay $10 a month extra on top of the $14.95 or $14.99, and you will get a different color case for your vial every month on top of the perfume you choose. Now they have this style quiz in reference to the aroma, scent, and type of things that you like to smell on your perfume, and based on what you pick, they will gather all the perfumes that they have, and they will put it in there for you, so you can go through them and choose the one you like. Now they also got this thing called a queue, and that's for you to go there every month and fill it up with the perfumes that you would like to receive every month. You have the option to leave it empty, and if you leave it empty, of course Scentbird will choose perfume and vial and send it to you, and it's kind of like a surprise, and it's a win and lose type of thing, because if you pick the perfume, then you're gonna like it. If you have tried it before, you can also go and pick that perfume on over there. Now if you don't like it, then you're stuck with the perfume. So the good thing about it also is the fact that we all know when we go to Macy's, Kohl's, and all these other stores, perfume tend to be expensive, especially good perfume, Versace, Gucci, all that stuff. They have more than over 240 different perfumes in there, and they have also the option from Scentbird, which is the men cologne, so you can choose for your hubby, or your hubby can subscribe himself to the Scentbird too. But anyways, there's like more than 240 perfumes that you can choose from. All of them are well known. So the good thing about it, if you have went to Macy's and you saw a Gucci perfume and you never tried it, but it was like $90 or $100, $150, and you don't have the money, you can pay $14.99. You get a little vial at the comfort of your home. You can try it, and if you like it, then you want to go spend that money, then go ahead. But if you don't, then you can just keep getting the same perfume, because you can also keep putting the same perfume in the different queues for the rest of the year and get that same perfume if you want. If not, you can choose for so many that they have. But if you don't like it, you don't have to worry about that you waste $90 or $150 and now you gotta give it away, or it's just gonna sit there on top of your bureau or your bathroom or whatever you put your perfumes at, and it's just gonna go to waste. So that's the good thing about Scentbird. So again, I resubscribed. I don't know if I already said that, but if I didn't, I resubscribed to Scentbird not too long ago. So this is my July Scentbird vial. I also got 4 free vial perfumes for the month of August, September, October, and November. I believe it was because when I was subscribed to them before, since I get a referral link, if you guys subscribe, which I will post it on the description box too. If you guys go through that referral link and you guys subscribe to Scentbird, I think you get a discount, and I get a free vial, or you get a free vial, and I do one too. Again, all that information will be posted in the description box below. But I get 4 perfumes for the rest of the 4 months that's left for the year, and then on December I have to pay my $14.95. So that was good for me, being though I just resubscribed. Now what I have in the back might not be what you will receive, or will not be what you will receive if you subscribe for the first time. Because again, all I did was resubscribe. So I know when you subscribe, you get a little case for your vial. You get a little velvet package, so you can, like a little velvet pouch, so you can put your case and your vial in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the card that was in there. I picked Versace. I always wanted to try the Versace perfume, and this is the Bright Crystal Absolute. And it looks like this. And this is a cute card. You can even frame this card and put it like somewhere in your, you know, in your desk or in your bookcase. So I'm keeping this for sure. And this Versace, it has peony, raspberry, yuzu, pomegranate, and musk scent. So yeah, those are the scents. Tells you in the back the aromas. And again, now the case, I'm showing you this right here. They put it in top of inside this case right here, and it says Scentbird. This is something similar to what you will get, but it will be, you know, a metal case. The real one, this is just a carton case, you know, that they send it to me in it, so my vial won't break. But this is the original vial, and I'm gonna say for the last time that I was subscribed to them, this vial is a little bit thicker and a little bit taller than the last time I was subscribed to Scentbird. So I am happy about that, and I'm just gonna spray. Oh my God, it smells good. So I have 28 little, you know, to go through. But it smells good. It's not too strong. It's subtle. It settles down quick, but it smells really, really nice. So I'm excited to try this. So you will get, again, if you subscribe, you will get your little vial, a little velvet pouch, and you will get a case of whatever choice of color they choose. But it'll be this big. And, you know, you just put it inside your little vial, and you just put it in the purse, and you are good to go. You are good to go. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you my Scentbird subscription box, well, bag I should say, and perfume. And if you want to try it, I will post the link to the, I'm like tongue tied today, link to the referral for my Scentbird, and you can go and use it and, you know, check it out yourself. And being that said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.